in a cozy little sweet cradle of love. Another year, and you will hear that every stick and stone is paid for, and we'll be proud to call our own cradle of love. We've got just 6 little chicks and a tiny little fence around them, 1 little pond and a toad. 6 little trees, all the year there's evergreen around them, down by the bend in the road, where the neighbors smile most all the while, for we expect a little stranger to make complete our own sweet cradle of love.